In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring invoice in bill.com. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your dashboard, then you want to go over here on the left to where it says invoices. Click on that, and from invoices, you want to click on recurring invoices. From here, you can of course create one by clicking either over here or top right over here, and then it's going to take you into the screen where you can basically set up your recurring invoice. So first you have to select a customer over here. I'm just going to add one right now because I don't have a customer yet, and it's just going to be myself for now. And of course you can put in the company name, contact, first name, last name, email, phone, etc. There's a bunch of things. I'm just going to add display name right now because other things don't really matter for this tutorial. So I'm going to click that over here. There we go. And now we have our customer. Now what you then have to do, of course, is select your template. I'm just going to use this detailed one. Of course, you could do it the simple one as well. And then down here, you want to select your payment methods and then your bank account as well. And then here you can see invoice details. So the most important part here is that you actually switch from one time to a recurring, because of course, if it's not recurring, then we're not setting up a recurring invoice. So make sure it says recurring up here and you've marked it over here as well. Then you have to select your schedule. So you can use either the due date or the invoice date. I'm just going to click on due date, and the first due date over here, we're just going to make it, for example, let's do the 25th of June 2026. Then terms over here are going to be, let's just do due upon receipt. And then over here, you have to select how many times it's going to repeat, okay? So you could do it like once every month, day, week, year, whatever. Or of course, you could do maybe like repeats twice every month, etc. So or not twice every month, but of course every 2 months or every 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 years. That's what I meant. So if I wanted to basically go once or twice a year, I would have to do, for example, repeats every 6 months, and it's going to go like twice a year, okay? Because of course in the middle and of course at the end of the year. I'm just going to keep it to where it repeats every 1 month. So of course after every 1 month. Then of course you have to select the end date, or if there's no end date, you can mark that as well. I'm just going to make no end date over here. And then here you can select if you want to automatically send or not. And then of course over here you can send how many days before due date you want to basically create and send the invoice. So I'm going to make it to where it's going to automatically send it, and we're going to do, let's do like 14 days before, so 2 weeks. And then you can send by email, or of course whatever you're using. I'm going to do email and then reply to the customer, myself. There we go. And then over here, of course, you can put in the sales rep, the PO number, and then you have the items over here. So this is the actual content of your of course of your invoice. I'm going to do hours over here, and then I'm going to do quantity 1, and then price is going to be, for example, 50, and we're just going to keep it like this. Okay, of course you can put in a description. This is whatever you want to do. And then down here you can add rows if you want to, delete them if you want it as well. You can put on your text, and then here you have the message on invoice in case there's any notes that have to be put on here. Okay, now when you basically fill all of this in here, you'll be able to click on save recurring schedule over here, and that's basically going to set up your recurring invoice. Okay, so that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.